Heart lang po. Heart.
First look, silipin ko lang. Ganun. Okay. Kaya pala ang laki ng kamay.
Pinaka-Diyosa. Okay. Next. Aking pinaka-pretty. Parang lang. Sa aking pinsan, napaka-Diyosa. Yes! Nakakaiyak naman. Paniyak mo.
Special yan, Dumupay.
Yung ganitong apron. Talaga oh.
Finally, this is it. We made it. Mapapa-thank you, Lord, ka talaga. Ay, ibang atake ko ngayon. Very demure and very mindful ng version. Mamaya na yung OA version. Wait ka lang sa reception. But whatever version ang meron ako, the best version of me is when I'm with you.
Honey, honey, I can see this.
Uy, nananamig.
Lamig kamay.
Kumain ka na? Ako di pa eh.
Kumain ako.
Hindi kita nakita buong araw ah. Ano? Kinilig ko.
Paano ka din?
I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away.
Bawat isa ay magbigayan kung ano-ano. Yun na naman ang aming maging hiling sa kanila ay maging masaya sila at magkasundo habang buhay.
Meron ka din pagkakaintindihan. Pag-usapan nyo.
Oh.
Tapos laging nakasenter si God.
And finally you put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one who gives your all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top.
Pinapabigay ni Sis Jelay.
Oh, to my future husband. Itong simpleng regalo ko sa iyo ay ang patunay na kahit saan ka man naroroon at ano pa mang pagkakataon, ikay hindi mag-iisa, lalong-lalo na sa iyong malamig na mga gabi. Your wife to be, Jelay.
Hi Julian. Hey. Sana magustuhan mo itong regalo ko sa iyo dahil pinaghirapan ko itong hanapin. Itong regalo na ito ay magiging simbolo sa ating pagsasama sa hirap man o sa sarap. Sayong sayo. Tonton. born ready. Yay!
Everybody asks me why I'm smiling from ear to ear, but I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my tears. And finally you put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. One who gives your all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop.
You're the best answer to my prayers. You're my reason to stay. Sa bawat araw na lumilipas, mas lalo kong napapatunayan kung gaano kakahalaga sa akin.
I'm so glad that life has led me to you. After those unexpected places that caused me pain and suffering, I'm glad I finally found my way home.
Baby, baby, I can hear the wind whipping past my face as we dance the night away. And your lips taste like champagne as I kiss you again and again.
So may mga challenges, mayroong mga kasiyahan, but remember that Jesus Christ is always present in your married life.
Ikaw lang ang nais at nanaisin kong makasama hanggang sa dulo. At ikaw lang rin ang paulit-ulit kong hilingin makasama sa buong buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita palagi.
Thank you for giving my life new meaning, and I will promise to reciprocate you every day of my life. I promise to always do my absolute best to fulfill my obligations to you. Thank you for loving the parts of me that aren't easy to love. And if death do us part, I promise to find you in every lifetime.
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. One who gives your all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on.